Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So we're at the bowling alley today. I'm gonna just gonna look away.
Yep, we're
Here's
here.
Jermaine,
I'm gonna do bowling for the first time.
and first time for me. What you say? First time for you? Yeah?
It's first time for me too.
Okay. This is my friend here.
Hi.
So welcome to our channel.
Thanks.
Yeah. Alright, so we'll keep you posted and just let you know what's going on. We're waiting on a couple of more friends to come. Yeah,
And
take
when
over.
you guys see me trying to bowl, don't laugh, right? This is my first time bowling, right? We're super tired. As you can see under my eyes are dark. And under Rashida eyes are also dark too. We
Yeah.
didn't sleep last night. We're doing some serious business. So it's definitely something to look at. It's an okay setting. Persons are having fun, you know, doing their bowling. So something to look at. I'm more interested in the food because I heard that this place has some nice wings. So looking forward to the food, drinks, you know, environment, just enjoy the setting and have some fun. Just waiting on the other person to show up, right? Waiting on everybody else to show up. So we can get the competition started, right? All right, look at that. I just found out that we have to put shoes on. You might say I'm ridiculous, but we have to put shoes on in order to do bowling. I think I think it's kind of I'm not sure.
They are nice shoes. Stylish.
Hold it something please.
A German shoes.
And that's what? That size 9?
This one is what's that size?
That's for her.
11. Go Jermaine!
Let's do it.
Look at Jaden.
Maroon is laughing there.
Oh Jaden! Ron, where's your shoes? Comfortable?
Are you ready? Are you ready, Mr. Maroon? Yeah, never be the best bowler, right?
Make you see now?
Never be the best.
I'm drinking slushies. So this is mine and this is for Jaden. This is for Allah.
So we're
That's
having
all.
just cranberry and vodka.
You're not going to put on your.
Huh?
Now put on your.
Yeah. This is for me. Thank you.
Everybody putting on their shoes. No socks?
Yeah. You can get good ball in your
Yeah, I thought the same thing too. You just play a 4.
Right on. Go. Come on. Clear it forward.
Jaden next.
Jaden. Jaden 5.
you sir.
Oh, yeah.
Who's this guy? Who's the sixth guy? Sasan. That's the guy there. Yep. Yep. Show all the pictures now. Scroll across.
Alright.
For me.
So Miss Murad is Murad. Vice President.
I was gonna capture it.
Murad is.
Yeah, exactly.
That's the guy there. Will it detect
Everybody,
that?
everybody come.
Will it detect that? No? Oh, so it's actually. Yeah.
That's Murad.
Yeah, that's
Scroll across, let me see all the players there. So you have Ala, Jermaine, Rashida, Varun, Jaden, Sasan, and
Murad.
Murad. Let's go. One more chance, Jaden. Roll it, roll it. Go as low as possible. Low, go low. Go low. Not bad, not bad. It's a Sun's turn.
Let's see.
Let's see.
He's a champion.
He knows what he's doing. Nice, nice, nice,
Oh my God.
nice, nice,
In the middle.
nice. Look at that guy, nice. So you see Rashida? You see Sasan went low. He went low.
You put the ball keep going to the side.
Yeah, because you have less control the higher you are. If you go, the lower you release the ball, right, the more control you have to guide the ball. Yep. Great. 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 That's great. That's actually great. Look at that. Who's up next?
Who's gonna play for Murad? Okay, I'm gonna play for Murad.
Murad is coming.
Always late. Work. Social gathering.
Nice. Nice. Yeah, I'm watching. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that.
You score high for Murad. That's okay. Hold it like this.
See that? You can do it. Woo! Murad, I think it is. Murad, I think it is. I think it is the best shot of the game.
I think so.
It's possible. Yeah, I think so. Go Varun. Not bad, not bad, not bad. Swing from behind, Jaden. Swing from behind. Swing from behind. Whoa! Very good, Jay. Very good. Very good.
You just needed some time to warm up.
Let's talk about it.
I never play any video games. All my friends love it. It's more fun because also he has the headset. He's talking
I can't.
Holy shit, you know it's so close.
Yeah, it's a little more forward. Very good, Jaden. Good job. Good job. What you guys drink? What's that? Come on. You're drinking that that's why you're drinking beer?
Not drinking, it's Alan.
It's Alice beer? What? Woo! Yeah. Let me check your fingers. Hold on, let me check your fingers.
Put some extra grip on the cheese.
Yes, 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 yes.
How come you only got one show? You should have got two shows.
No, when you want everything out, that's all.
Oh, okay.
Come on, you can do it.
I hope, pray for me.
That's it, Moran. That's it, Moran.
I appreciate the
You better catch the middle. Woo! Got a bush. Bro. Huh? That's hard rock. Yes! 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 3 man standing. Guys, so we're still shooting, but we have come to the end of our bowling for the night. I hope you really enjoyed what we had to offer. Look at the scoreboard. Look at the scoreboard. What's it saying?
Me second, I'm second. Sasan is third, I think.
All of first.
By coincidence. And
It's on. You are second. I'm second and I'm third. No, I'm 59, don't? I'm third.
Let's take a picture for Paul. He wants a picture of us here. Yes, sir. Come on, take a picture of us. Yes, I'm going to take one.
Give it to him, I'm gonna eat his fries.
Jaden wants a break, Rashida. Cheers. Nice couple here. Very fun people. Don't kiss. You're always kissing. No kissing. Nice food.